How do you get that? How do you achieve reversible figure ground, where it's maybe black on white or it could be white on black? How do you do that? The secret is both figure and ground have to be equally important. So if you have a bunch of T's in space, it is going to be figure and ground very clear. It's going to be T's and then not T's. If your letters are too obvious, like these P's, this is not reversible figure ground whatsoever. That white stuff is never going to be in front of those P's, because the white stuff doesn't have any interest to us. This is what I'm looking for. Figure, ground. Or maybe it's white figure, black ground. I don't know. But that's what I'm looking for. What is mass?
Isn't that a large volume of space?
Not necessarily a space. Technically, mass means weight. If you look it up, you will find that mass has a whole lot to do with weight rather than size. So you want to have something be weighty, contrasting with something being textural. Pattern is a smallish scale kind of stuff that goes over and over like wallpaper. But the issue is, can you give me texture? So when we have the section called texture versus mass contrast, don't have one but not the other, you got to have both. But you see how there's some seriously wacky, weirdness, random stuff going on? This project is not about random. And it definitely is not about making the letter form totally visibly clear. I believe abstraction is the phrase we're looking for. Very, very hard to just only have direction without having rhythm, or rhythm without having direction, or balanced asymmetry without having any organic geometric, let's say. Because a big roundy one and a little pointy one could be visually balanced. It could be visually balanced, but the angly one is sharp and painful and stuff, and the big roundy one is just a big globby one. How do you get that? How do you achieve reversible figure ground, where it's maybe black on white or it could be white on black? How do you do that? The secret is both figure and ground have to be equally important.